If you want to use your Hostinger email inside Outlook, this video will walk you through the full setup step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your email settings in Hostinger, add the account in Outlook, and finish the connection correctly so you can send and receive messages without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, you'll need to gather your email credentials from Hostinger. To do that, log into your Hostinger hPanel account. Once you're inside, go to the email section and select the domain that has the email address you want to connect. After that, look for the Connect Apps and the Devices area. This section contains the important IMAP and SMTP details that Outlook needs in order to connect properly. Take a moment here and note everything down because having the correct server settings ready will make the setup much easier. Now open Microsoft Outlook. Once Outlook is open, go to the File menu and choose Add Account. This is where we begin linking your Hostinger email address to Outlook. When the account setup window appears, enter your full Hostinger email address exactly as it is written. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, extra spaces, or missing characters because even a small error can stop the connection from working. After entering your email address, click Advanced Options. Then check the box that says, Let me set up my account manually, or a similar option depending on your Outlook version. Once that is selected, click Connect. This tells Outlook that you want to enter the mail server details yourself instead of letting it auto-detect the settings. Next, choose IMAP as the account type. IMAP is the best option if you want your emails to stay synced across multiple devices. After selecting IMAP, enter the password for your Hostinger email account. If Outlook gives you an option to show more settings, turn on Show More so you can see all the available fields. This is where you'll enter the server information you collected earlier. Now fill in the incoming mail server details. For the incoming mail server, type imap.hostinger.com. Set the port to 993. For the encryption method, choose SSL/TLS. These settings are required for secure incoming mail access, and they help Outlook communicate properly with Hostinger's mail servers. After that, move on to the outgoing mail settings. For the outgoing mail server, type smtp.hostinger.com. You can use port 465 or 587 depending on the option available in your Outlook setup. For encryption, select SSL/TLS or STARTTLS. Both are commonly used secure settings for sending mail, so choose the one that matches your configuration. Once all the server settings are entered, type your Hostinger email password. If Outlook asks for it again, then click Connect. Outlook will now verify the information and attempt to establish the connection. If everything has been entered correctly, the setup should complete without issues. This part may take a few moments, so just let it finish checking the account. When Outlook confirms the account has been added, click Done. At this point, your Hostinger email should be connected to Outlook, and you should be able to access your messages directly from the Outlook app. If you don't see emails right away, give it a minute to sync, especially if this is a brand new account or a large mailbox. And that's it. You've now connected Hostinger email to Outlook using the correct IMAP and SMTP settings. This is a really useful setup if you want to manage business email, keep everything organized in one place, and reply from Outlook instead of switching between apps. If this guide helped you out, please like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with other email or software setups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.